Welcome to our home. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to get some cleaning done around the house. Why don't you come on and join me? First step, I gotta put my hair up. These claw clips are fantastic. I would link you to my Amazon storefront, but this is my first video, so no link. We're going to start in the closet. Not for any particular reason, I was just already in the bathroom. I use these totes to store my off-season clothes. So let's put that back. First step, put everything in its home. I like to organize my shirts by short sleeve and long sleeve, and then within those categories I organize by color, which I don't have a lot of, but that's okay. I also like to evenly space my hangers. I think it makes the closet look a lot cleaner. I just take 2 or 3 fingers depending on how much inventory I have to fit in a certain section. I'll put them next to the first hanger, then slide the second hanger to the edge of the last finger, and then keep moving down the line. Next stop is the living room. We don't have a dedicated playroom, so a lot of our son's toys just end up in here. But because it's also the living room, we try to keep it relatively tidy. First task is always to get everything out from underneath the couch. Next, I like to just kind of put things generally where they go, and then I'll go through and put them exactly where they belong. It's actually a lot easier when our son is home because he likes to help. We use a toy rotation system to keep things manageable for both us and for him. We keep it to about 6 to 10 toys at a time. It depends on what he's interested in playing with at the moment. Our fireplace is gas and we didn't want him messing with it, so I put up some foam mat pieces so he's not comfy. We use this gray bin and a couple of totes to store toys that he's not quite ready for, or that he just got bored with. As he gets bored with the toys that we have out, we'll take some of them and put them into these containers, and then take a new one out and put it on the fireplace. Next up is his bookshelf. Books are his favorite thing in the entire world. You know how they say that when your toddler is quiet, that's when you should start worrying? When my toddler gets quiet, he's probably in a corner reading a book. He has a bookshelf in this room, and he also has one in his bedroom. Next is the other shelves. We have a few more toys over here, and one of those totes that I was talking about. My husband and I both work in aviation, so we lean a little towards that direction when we go buy toys. Next, we'll head to the dining room. As I go from room to room, I take things with me that don't belong in the rooms that I've previously gone through, and I just carry them with me throughout the house until they actually get to the spot that they're supposed to be in. Sometimes I'll carry a basket to collect these things. We do live here and use our stuff, so it gets moved around. I just take things out as I go from room to room and put them in their home. Also, please excuse the Chick-fil-A caddy. It's gonna follow me throughout the entire process of cleaning these rooms. I don't know about you, but I need my coffee. Also, they have this new watermelon mint Sunjoy. It's fantastic. So I got both. To wipe down my surfaces, I use the Puracy All Surface Cleaner. I love this brand. We use it for everything from this to our disinfectant, to washing our dishes, to cleaning our clothes. It's everywhere. We even use their baby shampoo and lotion. I highly recommend. Next up's the kitchen. We'll be here for a while. The kitchen is our most used area of the house, so it's going to get dirtier than anywhere else. But I feel like if I have a dirty kitchen, my house is dirty, even if every other room is completely spotless. I start with putting away the clean dishes we had set to dry. Then I change out the water for my pineapple. It hasn't started growing or anything yet, but I'm hopeful. Then I wash out my water bottle. And dry it off. Next up is the dishes. Please ignore the green cup. I did catch it and turn it around. I just didn't get that part on camera. And now for my absolute favorite part, cleaning the surfaces. Having a super clean countertop is so satisfying. I also used a bit of the cleaner to dust around the outlets. This area had started to annoy me a little bit, so I rearranged the kitchen just to make it a little less cluttered. I love how shiny and clean this Puracy cleaner makes my countertops. It's very natural and clean, It has a grade of A on the Environmental Working Group or EWG website. My favorite is the organic lemongrass scent, but it also comes in green tea and lime. Next up is to clean the fridge. I'm a little embarrassed with how much we had to throw away. We usually don't have this much food waste, but you know how life is sometimes. I like decanting my produce into glass containers after I wash and prep them. It makes my fridge function so much better, and cooking is a lot easier too. It does look like I need to buy a bigger egg tray though. Here I am testing the watermelon to make sure it's still good, and it was. And how to throw the old food away. It really wasn't as much as it seemed when it was stacked up in all those containers, but definitely more than I would like. Now to finish putting the dishes in the dishwasher and then start it. The last thing I always do in the kitchen is clean and shine my sink. Then we put the cleaner back up, lock the doors so the toddler can't get in there, and we're done.